Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Redbelly network token. Ticker symbol is RBNT. Now this token just got a very big central exchange listing starting today, December 17th. And we're going to go over the RBNT token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find the Redbelly Explorer at redbelly.rootscan.io. And that's where you can find, all the total transactions, basically all the info on this Explorer here, on their scan. Ticker symbol is RBNT. There is a total supply of 10 billion RBNT tokens. And it was just announced that this token will be listed today, December 17th at 9 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search the ticker symbol RBNT, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So they have here a web page which you could find at redbelly.network. They also have a Telegram you could follow at Redbelly Chat. Their Twitter I'm going to put in the corner of the screen here as usual. You can see they have a very big following there. And yeah, so the problems that they're trying to solve, or some of the problems, is lack of accountability, the importance of regulation, their solutions. The Redbelly Network is a revolutionary open finance platform that commoditizes and shares DLT infrastructure for transacting with accountability and transparency, making accessible to the automation of economic relationships between known entities with known means of exchange, informed and held accountable by known data. We are building a fairer and more efficient financial system that is more transparent and inclusive. We believe that this means empowering everyone with fairer access to financial services and infrastructure. Redbelly is not a blockchain for institutions. We are empowering everyday people with access to institutional tools at incredibly low costs in order to level the playing field by eliminating information asymmetry. In order to build this future, we must start from a place of accountability. So they are the accountability blockchain. So the Redbelly network has been designed with accountability at its core. Our DBFT consensus algorithm combined with Polygraph, our novel proof of fraud protocol, ensures high performance, security, and accountability. Redbelly does not fork, and if a participant attempts to fork the blockchain, Redbelly automatically constructs an undeniable proof of fraud. So they have known participants. All participants on the Redbelly network are identified through our network of off-chain digital identity providers. Prospective network participants must prove their identity in order to onboard onto the network and create an account. This allows network participants to use their real-world identity as their blockchain identity. Our ZK Snark-based solution allows users to prove their identity without revealing any personal or sensitive information to the verifier. Additionally, because the authorization is performed on a per-transaction basis, the user has full control to accept or reject any specific authorization request. Now, they have known finality with performance and accountability. Our novel leaderless DBFT consensus algorithm was jointly developed by the University of Sydney and Cyros Data 61 through funding from the Australian government's ARC grant program. DBFT allows a high throughput of transactions with a peak throughput of 660,000 transactions per second under ideal conditions, to be deterministically finalized in a matter of seconds, unlike the probabilistic finality of most blockchains based on Nakamoto consensus. It guarantees that no forks can occur and prevents the possibility of double spends. Now, this is crucial for real-time, high-value applications which require certainty. The addition of our innovative protocol-level accountability mechanism, Polygraph, allows the network to punish malicious nodes. Now, they have known costs. It says, in order to facilitate high value through real-world financial relationships, transaction costs need to be known beforehand in order to give confidence and certainty to users and businesses. Thus, gas fees paid in the native Redbelly coin are kept stable against fiat currency USD terms, despite possible price volatility of the Redbelly coin. For any given transaction on the Redbelly network, the transaction costs will depend only on the complexity of the operations that need to be performed, which can easily be calculated ahead of time, and the fixed fee component. They also have known data. So the Redbelly network employs first-party Oracle approach to obtain data directly from the source. We enable traditional Web 2 API providers to cheaply and easily run their own on-chain infrastructure that connects seamlessly to their API. They have known relationships designed to natively support the development of Ricardian contracts where a hash of full legal agreement is referenced in a smart contracts code and irrefutably link the real-world relationship with the execution of a subset of its rights and obligations. And they have known means of exchange. Most high-value real-world financial relationships settle using fiat currency. Thus, the Redbelly network will support transaction settlement in fiat currencies through a global payment gateway. So you can read more about the Redbelly network topology and the networking and blockchain and the architecture and DBFT and etc. at redbelly.network. And you can find this token newly listed today on MEXC Global. So make sure you check out that MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.